Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Meet my beautiful client with a very beautiful skin. In fact, she sent me a series of messages through DM before actually calling me. I'm grateful to all those who keep contacting me and keep trusting my job, making payments even without seeing me. Okay, first of all, she wanted me to use all her skincare products. So I'm just going to use all her skincare products. I'm open to such offer, just that you're still going to pay my full amount. And then I am using my primer. Yes, I trust my primer. I'm using the primer from the Makeup Forever. This is one very beautiful primer that is really, really nice on skin. You know, it works well on fine lines. Makeup Forever is one of those nice primer that I never regretted investing on, just that they are too pricey. And then she gave me a personal foundation, which is the Estee Lauder. This one here, another pricey product. And then while I was applying a foundation, I told her that this foundation is not a color. She said no problem, that she bought it like that and she's not going to waste it. She's actually going to use it. Trust me now. If you see the later end part of this video, watch this video to the end. Oh. This dark skin you are looking at now is not what you are going to be seeing at the end, because there is something that I usually do. It is important for you to do a color correct. If you have a wrong foundation shade, you can actually use a concealer to correct it, and you can use a powder to correct it. Let's get right into this video. And mind you, she was talking all through. No problem. I enjoyed all the gist. I love when people book me from social media and then they just trust my vibe and they trust me to deliver. So all the gist, we have a premium gist, and trust me, now all the positive vibes. It was a very beautiful section and I look forward to meeting her again. I'm moving to my own. This concealer is one of those concealer I invested in last year and I have no regret about it. This is the one and only Kevin O'Quan concealer in the shade 08. I'm not going to be mixing this concealer. I'm going to be using this shade only. And this is one of those concealer that a little go a long way. Oh. Now small I actually put to me. I don't know how the thing can. I can't dey put the thing for face. Can't be like say the thing plenty. But no problem, shall we shall now go blend. Everything will blend last. The good thing about this concealer is that it's really, really blendable. It's blendable. It doesn't crease and it doesn't really stress you while blending. see this killer liner. And by the way, I'm using this brow gel from Zaron Cosmetics. And then I'm going in with Zaron mascara. Using my hands to face lashes as usual. After lining her lip with a lip pencil, I used my MAC Cosmetics lip stain lipstick, and then I blended that in properly using a brush to blend it, and then I moved in with my MAC lip gloss, and then I'm just going to ask her to dab her lip. She wanted more, so I applied again. She was smiling, she was happy. Like, see, I love clients that have the same energy that I have. And then I'm going in with this setting spray, man. This Huda Beauty setting spray. The money they make and they do wonders. Sha. It's a bit pricey, but just see the magic it does. It takes away all the powder effects. And then I added a little glow, and she was loving every bit of her look. I went back in with my other beauty setting spray just to give the face a more natural looking look and to take off all the powder effects, because I need her face and her body, her shoulder to be looking the same. See the beautiful magic this does. Man, she's all set and ready for a big day. She was smiling, she was happy. If you're watching this video till now, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope you love this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be positive, smile often, stay blessed, and bye guys.